Disappearing Cupcakes, a lesson in subtraction. I have 16 cupcakes for my grandma. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oops! One fell on the floor. 16 cupcakes minus 1 cupcake equals 15 cupcakes. 16 minus 1 equals 15. I have 15 cupcakes for my grandma. Oops! 2 melted in the sun. 15 cupcakes minus 2 cupcakes equals 13 cupcakes. 15 minus 2 equals 13. I have 13 cupcakes for my grandma. Oops! 3 were eaten by the dog. 13 cupcakes minus 3 cupcakes equals 10 cupcakes. 13 minus 3 equals 10. I have 10 cupcakes for my grandma. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oops! 4 got hit by a ball. 10 cupcakes minus 4 cupcakes equals 6 cupcakes. 10 minus 4 equals 6. I have 6 cupcakes for my grandma. Oops! 5 got wet in the rain. 6 cupcakes minus 5 cupcakes equals 1 cupcake. 6 minus 5 equals 1. I had 1 cupcake for my grandma. Oops, I'd better make more cupcakes. 1 cupcake that I had minus 1 cupcake that I ate equals 0 cupcakes. 1 minus 1 equals 0. Disappearing Cupcakes, a lesson in subtraction.